I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric. Hey, check it out. I got a new radio from Radioddity, the GM-30 two-way radio. This does GMRS, no radio or weather channels, does operate as a scanner, and it charges off a USB, so pretty well exactly what we'd want out of a radio. Let's check out what we got. 18-month warranty, not bad at all. And a nice user's manual. Nice. All in English and 45 pages long, so quite a bit to it, no doubt. Then the main unit. Looks like it comes with the battery undone off of it. Then here's the battery. So hopefully it has a bit of a charge in it. Nice. Okay, looks like we have a connector back here. That's cool. I'll have to assemble all this stuff. Then we've got, an earpiece, right? So you can do Vox. You have an earpiece and a mic. Cool. A little string. I like that, little wrist string. And then our charger is here. Okay, so give me a second. I'll get everything plugged in, hooked up, and wired up, and we'll check out some of the features and functions on this cool new radio. All right, here it all is set up. Got the nice positive spring on that. Got a nice place. I'll give them credit for this. I'm going to get close enough. They gave him enough of a spot that you actually could thread this through. A couple of radios that I've reviewed that you can't, maybe I'm just old, but I can't get through the little teeny weeny hole that they have. So good for them for giving us enough room. Looks like you have the ability to put it to a base charger. This one just came with USB charging, which is down here. But looks like you can also do base charging with it. On the side here we got a button and a button and a button. I bet you that's push to talk. We'll find out what those two do. And on this side, we have our Vox ports here, and possibly to program. I'm not sure. Up on top, we have a light here that I assume goes red when we push to talk. We have a flashlight, and we have our on-off / volume control. The antenna is a rubber ducky type antenna. I would say it is maybe 8 or 9 inches long. And then down here at the bottom, functions, features, and all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I won't be able to get through all of this, but we'll go through the big stuff. Turn it on. Nice. We have a FM radio, so you can switch between GMRS, NOAA, and FM, and it literally will, let's do 88. There we go. So I can't play that for very long, but FM radio is included. So we'll do 100. Hopefully there's nothing on that. There we go. So we can leave that safely on there. Copyright violations and whatnot. So we'll click that again. Before I move on, if I can show you. We have full battery charge indicator, and we have high, and there's like a little music symbol there. Here's our up and down if we want to change through the channels. All right. So we press that top button again, and we're bringing ourselves back. It's a dual channel setup, but we can roll through. If I press this bottom button, I turn on my flashlight. That's interesting. Press it again, and it goes to strobe mode. Press it again, and it's off. If I press and hold, I turn off the squelch, right? So I can monitor. If I press and hold the top, I got another alarm that goes off. Good if you were in an emergency situation, right? Very cool. Okay, let me lay it down. I'll zoom the camera in a little bit, and we'll talk about some of these many buttons down here and the features and functions that they have. All right, if we want to get into the menu system on this, right, we have squelch, step, power save, Vox level. I'm hoping y'all can see that. Let me get closer. There we go. Vox level, bandwidth, backlight. We can move that up and down. Wait, beep. We can turn the beep on and off, right? Time on, oops. Time on talk, so if you're accidentally pressing buttons or loud noises, we're causing it to activate it a maximum of 60 seconds. DCS, CTCSS, TX DCS, TXCT-CSS, and voice command on, and the ID of the unit. So pretty cool. S codes, scan. Scan mode is carrier. We're looking for any kind of a signal. PTT-ID. I mean, this thing is loaded, man. Loaded. Busy lock. Auto lock. Direction finding. Offset. And memory. We can program our channels. We can delete channels. We have an alarm mode. We have seek. I mean, there's just so many functions. It's going to take me, oh, Roger beep, right on. It's going to take me a while to go through it. Here's our tone control and language. So you can see there's a lot going on here. This is not just a simple GMRS, 30 channel or 22 channel GMRS walkie-talkie. This is like a professional grade GMRS unit, and it does some other stuff. I believe you can program it to do the business band, both bands, outside of GMRS, but I'm not positive about that. I'll have to read through the manual. Anyway, I guess that'll do it for tonight. It is really cool. Radioddity was kind enough to send this my way, and this one's a keeper. It reminds me of a lot of high quality radios that I've played with in the past, and it's got that real good, firm, hard plastic. Looks like it would survive the bounce test at least once or twice, if not many more. It also appears to have some sort of waterproofing to it. Now, I wouldn't go out and dunk this thing in the water, but it looks like it might survive some splashes. I'll go ahead and get that off of there. I'll leave that on there because it's so reflective sometimes it's hard to see. Well, that's it. I guess that'll do it for tonight, my friends. Take care.